Hello techies, welcome to Gowtham's Data. Today we are going to see the testing field in software industry and what are the key points and overview about the testing field. So let's get started techies. In the context of information technology, testing refers to the process of evaluating and verifying software applications or systems to ensure that they meet specified requirements and work correctly. Testing is a crucial phase in the software development lifecycle and is performed to identify and fix defects or bugs before a software product is released to the users. The primary goal of testing is to ensure the quality, reliability, and performance of software. There are some key aspects of testing in IT, which includes first one will be the verification and validation. Verification generally involves checking that a product conforms to specified requirement. It answers to the questions: are we building the product right? Next, validation. Validation involves evaluating a system during or at the end of the development process to determine whether it satisfies the specified requirement. So it answers the questions: are we building the right product? And there are two types of testing. One is manual testing and another one is automated testing. And what is manual testing? Testers generally execute the test cases on a manual basis without using any automation tools. This includes functional testing, usability testing, and exploratory testing. And the next one will be automated testing. It involves use of testing tools to automate the execution of test cases. Automated testing is commonly used for regression testing, performance testing, and repetitive tasks. Third, levels of testing. There are certain levels while you are performing the testing. So, first will be the unit testing. Focuses on verifying the functionality of individual unit of component of a software application. And next will be integration testing. Ensures that the components of a system should work together as intended. And then system testing. Test the entire system end to end to verify that it meets the specified requirement. And the last one is acceptance testing. Determines whether the system satisfies the acceptance criteria and it is ready for deployment or not. So these are the levels of testings we will be following in IT. And the fourth point will be the testing techniques. There are three testing techniques is available. One is black box testing, and next one is white box testing, and the last one is gray box testing. What is black box testing? Examines the functionality of a software applications without a knowledge of its internal code of logic. And white box testing is it always analyzes the internal logic, structure, and the code of a software application. Last one is gray box testing. Gray box testing combines elements of both black box and white box testing, where some knowledge of the internal code is always required. So these are the major key points of testing in the IT field. So there are few more points is there. We'll keep you posted in the part 2 videos. Thank you techies.